If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to get these nails at home, okay? Because all 2025, we are saving money, okay? So this is how my nails looked at first. I did have on like a little gel coat, so I found the top coat and then I let them soak in some acetone. Now, this is your takeaway. Make sure that you are using acetone and not nail polish remover. I know, see, I thought nail polish remover comes with acetone, which it does. But if you are taking off gel polish, get like some strong, like make sure it has a lot of percentage of acetone, okay? Or you will be soaking all day long, as you saw me doing here. But I just put some of that polish remover on some cotton, and then I wrapped it in some foil. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and I just kept on checking on it. And then I just got to the point where it was like, you know what? I'm going to just have to file it until it all comes off. So again, use this as a takeaway moment. Use real acetone, okay? But once you get all of that off, before you go in with your tips, I'm going to file the top layer of my nail. And this is how they looked. I did also like shape them up a little bit, even though we're doing press-ons. I just wanted that square, okay? And then I used this cleaner, and I also pushed my cuticles back, and I clipped my cuticles as well. If you are clipping your cuticles, make sure to put some type of cuticle oil on it or some type of oil on it so you don't, like nag yourself or nothing with the cuticle nippers. Then I used some acetone to get rid of any other dirt or debris on my nails before I went in with my glue, because this will make it last so much longer. Now, before you glue it, please test your nail. Make sure it fits. Now, it fits on that side, but y'all see that side? No, it needs to fit on the whole nail, okay? And then this is also one of my tricks. I file down the sides because for some reason, certain nail tips just don't fit my nail bed. So I'll have to go in and like file the sides so they look super natural. And then I go in with this brush on glue. I know that the kit comes with like a little tube, but I personally like the brush on. It's easier to apply. I apply it to the fake nail, and then I apply it to my nail as well. Make sure that you are pressing down that nail for at least 5 to 7 seconds so you don't get none of those air bubbles in your nails. Make sure that you are also pressing down the sides of the nails also so you don't get any bubbles in your nails, because it will be noticeable and it doesn't really look that good. So that's one of my tips as well. You're just going to repeat this step all the way throughout your nails. This is what your nails should look like before you go into any of the filing or anything else. Now, as you can see, I filed one hand, but one hand is not filed. I filed the white tip a little bit shorter because I don't like a thick French tip. I like it very thin, like the white part. So file it to your liking as well. And then I also filed mine into a very square shape because, again, I love a good square French tip. Like, I will forever be a French tip girl for the rest of my life. So this is your preference. You can always leave it if you want to. But again, this is my preference. I just feel like the skinny white tip just looks so much better in my opinion. And you will see the difference right there. You see those two? The first two, I did, but the last two, I didn't. So I know you saw the difference. Now, this part is also optional. I'm going to go in with a top clear coat gel. And this is just to put a little extra shine onto my nail to give it more so a salon finish. And I'm going to use the Madam Glam. And then I'm also going to use this LED light that they sent me. And I'm going to put the top coat on, let it sit under the light for a minute. Actually, no, I let it sit in front of there for like 2 minutes. I just went back and forth, probably 3 minutes max, to make sure that that top coat is dry. And again, you are just going to repeat this until you do all of your nails. And then once I finish that, I go back in again with some polish remover. This is just to get any of the sticky layer off the top of my nail once I took it out of my LED lights. And once you do that, you can put you on some cuticle oil and you are done. Look at this outcome. Baby, I just came from the salon. Do not play with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.